Hey, this is Scott Henke. I'm the owner of On-Site Consulting, and we've got a product that is really going to help you out with your life. And it's not our product. We want you to go to this other company and sign up. You don't pay us, you don't call us, and they're going to help you for free. It's called Aura, A-U-R-A, and they are a service that helps you with protecting your online life. So many things. I cannot believe how many things they offer you for $10 a month. $10. What is that, a burrito? You should get it. It has $1 million in identity theft, $50,000 if you get scammed. It's got 24/7 technical support. So I've tried calling them twice. They answer very quickly, and I've really pushed them to, hey, if it took us 2 hours to get through a question, are you guys okay with that? And they said, sure, that's fine. That's what we're here for. So great tech support even before you sign up. So you can call the number on the email and you can sign up. And if you're having problems with understanding something, you can call them and they can walk you through it. Okay. They monitor all of your credit if you'd like them to. They could freeze all your credit reports. For me, they removed my name from about 44 data brokers. So there are companies that collect your email address, not your password, but just your email, and they send out bulk emails to everybody. That's why everybody's getting spammed all the time. Within an hour after I signed up, they had already submitted 44 requests to all these companies to get my name off of their mailing lists. And periodically I'll get these emails that says, okay, we've taken you off the list, we've taken you off the list. And they continually do this as long as you're a part of the program. They can monitor your social security number. Oh, they also find all the passwords which have already been stolen from you. So you don't know this, but you will. When you sign up for this, it'll show you a bunch of the passwords that are already for sale on the internet. Now, normally they're not that important. For me, it was a couple of small companies here and there. But if it's the same password for everything else, like most people do, your bank, your credit cards, that password is going to get out there and you could have identity theft through your credit card, right? So this is going to tell you all the passwords already for sale on the internet. It has a password manager. It has a whole bunch of other stuff that you could use. But for $10 a month, I would definitely do this project. This program, the service that they have. But you don't have to pay us, okay? And we want to be out of the middle of it. You can email me some questions before you sign up if you want. But they've got a 24/7 phone number that you can call for help with signing up. You will get about 30 emails after you sign up. They're not spam. You should read through a couple of them. They're going to say, hey, don't you want to do our get your name off of the mailing list? And you answer back. But it'll walk you through a bunch of stuff. Don't ignore it because a lot of those will alert you of what things that you need to do. There is a place in there, if it finds your password stolen, they've got a button that is a little confusing. It says resolve. That doesn't mean they resolve it. That means you resolved it. So you don't just push a button and think all your problems are over, but you have to change your password for that bank or credit card or company that they alert you about. And then you push resolve so they stop scanning for it, okay? It's a little confusing. I would say it'd take you about 2 hours to understand the whole project. But 2 hours versus identity theft, getting $10,000 stolen out of your account is well worth it. So hopefully you could get some information out of this. I've written my own directions. They sent me a 40-page document, which was crazy. And I didn't even read it. I skimmed it. But I wrote my own directions. It's about 9 pages. And it shows you these are the important things. These are not the important things. And it shows you some of the things to remember, like don't just push that button and think all your problems will go away. So if you have a couple questions, you can email me. But please, we want you to rely on their company. It's 24/7. Does not involve us, and it'll help you through this. But to help protect your digital and online life with passwords and so forth is a very important thing, and we think you should do it. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.